4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Quiet neighborhood. Most disappeared years ago. As for storage, there's plenty of hanging space. If you get my drift, solid timber beams, rated well above average.
Very supportive.
Original hardwood flooring, remarkably easy to clean. Those darker stains, they add character. Fresh paint,
Tall ceilings,
excellent soundproof walls. The neighbors keep to themselves, even when they hear it all. Good bones, good size, don't believe the headline. Move right in, make it yours.
there's still room.
Beneath the flies. Good bones, good price, blood washes off most of the time.
Find today,
Don't delay,
the police have moved.
3 towns away. A generous backyard with lovely fertile soil.
Soft enough for roses, soft enough for secrets.
No troublesome tree roots, no awkward bedrock.
Just 6 feet.
Of opportunity. The cellar stays cool all through summer. Ideal for
Collections.
wine, obviously.
Wink, wink.
The locks are sturdy, the curtains close. No passing traffic, nobody knows. Good bones, good size, don't believe the headline. Move right in, make it yours.
There's still room.
Beneath the floors. Good bones, good price, blood washes off most of the time.
Find today,
Don't delay,
the police have moved.
3 towns away.
Excuse me, did somebody die here?
Well, not exactly. Several did.
But think of the history.
Check the basement, check the shade. Plenty of room for your new friends. Fresh concrete, brand new spade. What a lovely life you've made. Good bones,
Solid walls.
nothing gets out, nothing at all. Good bones, good size, don't believe the headline. Move right in, make it yours.
There's still room.
Beneath the floors. Good bones, good price, blood washes off most of the time.
Find today,
Don't delay,
the police have moved.
3 towns away.
Congratulations, your offer has been accepted. The keys are yours. The bleach.
The plastic sheets. And yes, the previous occupants are included in the sale.